B-E, error. B-E, error. Oversudsing caused by improper detergent. Do not use dish soap. Only use detergents which are designed for use in the dishwasher. Check the leveling. Failure to level the dishwasher. Make sure that the dishwasher is properly leveled. Open the door 45 to 60 degrees and remove the lower cover by pushing the hook to the bottom side. Adjust leveling feet as necessary. Removing the bubbles. To remove detergent residue in the tub, pour approximately 3 to 7 ounces of milk into a shallow bowl. Place it in the upper rack and run the dishwasher on the auto cycle.